a fast car. I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can go somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll.
What's up, y'all? I'm so freaking bored today. Like, today's been a boring day. Just been chilling, really. Let's go see what the construction crew is out here building. They're out here building something. Let's go spy on them.
Okay, there you go, right there, give me that.
I'm gonna let them have fun with that. Guess I should return back to my game. Cause I ain't doing shit with my life. So, finna return here back to my game. I am playing Until Dawn. Think about if I want to start a gameplay, like do like a let's play with me type thing. I'm not sure yet. I gotta, I guess, test it out. My friend told me that if you do it through the PS4, just like itself, it's only 720. If I want 1080, I have to get like a video card. But I'm probably gonna test it out. I'm kind of, y'all know about my eyes, so I'm kind of like struggling, like trying to figure out where I need to go. But the first time I played this, I had like 2 jump scares, so it's a nice, decent horror game. So. Y'all, I finally got past this scene in this freaking game. It took me forever to find this freaking deodorant spray, man. I'm so happy to be past it finally. Good morning, everybody. What's up? How y'all day going? Or morning, because it's early as hell. But I'm just chilling at the moment. You know, letting some light into my room, you know? Letting some lights. But yeah, I'm just chilling till I hear from the best friend so we can go head on this journey, head on this trip to go see some beautiful waterfalls, which I am like super excited to go see. So y'all join this ride with us so we can go exploring, because we're going on a favorite trip, because we're going on a trip, but not in the rocket ship. Hey. But I just want to say hello, what's up? I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Don't mind my weirdness. I know it's way too early to be hype, but you know. About to start this hike. Shall be fun.
We are here, so we have.
Yo,
Coming down here.
I feel. It's not funny.
Sorry.
It's scary as fuck. Yo, we up in this river. It's cold as crap. Surprised I made it this far.
Yeah, you want to fish in the river?
Look at this.
Oh, I want a picture though. Right. Could you? Yeah, I gotta tie my other damn.
The water don't like your shoes.
I don't think so. Okay.
La Paris.
All right, guys, we are in Cummins Falls, Tennessee. Well, Cookeville, Tennessee. It's a waterfall. Notice the beautifulness. Yes, yes, yes.
My battery didn't get wet.
The river below. We're trekking.
Walking on the river.
Very fun. Fun times.
Y'all, I done failed twice already. Twice. It's just beginning. It's actually kind of fun though.
Got a fast car. I wanted to get to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can go somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at a convenience store. Managed to stay still.
Yo, finally made it to the waterfall. It was a very treacherous journey. I'll let you tell you that. Very treacherous journey. What's up, y'all? Chilling here at this waterfall. I'm just ready to get this over with because I feel down at the moment. So frustrated with myself, even though this is a beautiful view. So beautiful, y'all. Supposed to rain. Yeah, I'm over here kind of feeling like crap, even though it's beautiful out here. Yep. I just can't wait to get home. Lay in my bed and snuggle with bed. Because at the moment, I feel crap. It was such an eventful day. That hike though, like, it was interesting. I struggled, but I came back home alive. You know, that's all that matters. I felt defeated, but you know, I'm still living. I kind of almost died, literally one time, but you know, I made it. That was an interesting adventure. I now know that I am not, or I don't know, I kind of still think I kind of find myself a little adventurous, but I know that's one thing that I know is not for me now. Or if it is, I have to do like flat land, like, you know, no really super rocky terrain or water, because that is just crazy. Then I'm kind of upset because my phone got water damage. So I'm probably finna be out of a phone, and I feel like if they try to give me like, if I have to put like a down payment to get another one, I'm probably just finna get another phone, bro. Like, so finna check that shit out. Don't really have anything planned for today. Just gonna get pretty much chill and relax because yesterday was just so draining.
about what's in front of you. We kill! We save!
Yo, that fight, Nagisa versus Karma, that fight was everything, bruh. Like, oh my gosh. And I already knew, had all my bets on Nagisa, and he won, because he's awesome, you know, yeah. Because, you know, he reps the blue hair, so that makes him even more awesome. Plus, he's just an awesome assassin. It's, this anime has, like, so grown on me. Like, I'm in love. Y'all, look how professional this disc is. Like the glass. It's kind of dope. Too bad ain't no tech savvy editing type people in this house. And look how clean looking my room looks now. Like, kind of looks more minimalistic now. Y'all, I just witnessed one of the most saddest scenes in anime that I've ever seen in my life. Like, bruh, it brought me to tears. You can't see it. Like, I tried so hard to hold it back. Literally brought me to tears. Like, rest in peace, Koro Sensei, man. Rest in peace, bro. I don't know how to feel right now. Like, that's like the saddest goodbye I've ever seen. And he's like so awesome. I would say another scene that made me sad, but I don't want to give away spoilers. But one of the characters that had a sad scene or sad moment, I was like, no, that can't be. No. Oh my goodness. So, I might have to end up going to the doctor. I don't know. Like, a certain part of my body, I'm trying to not be nasty. You little nasties. But a certain part of my body is like kind of in pain. So I might have to go take a visit to the doctor. I hope it ain't nothing serious. It's like, it's not like excruciating pain, but it hurts enough. So, might have to cancel plans with the friends. We're supposed to go hit up CC's and then go hit up the arcade, but I don't even know now. So, we'll see what happens. I will see you guys later on in the day. Are these $15 worth, people? Or should I just buy offline?
There's so much.
Guess or get the one I want.